My name is Alexis Drake and I studied the Marketing and Leadership MSc with the Senior Leader Apprenticeship at Cranfield School of Management. My job title now is the Talent Attraction Marketing Specialist and I work at Reed Talent Solutions. I would say this course transformed my career because I was headhunted into a more senior position and it's allowed me to do much more strategic work than I did previously. I decided to study the Marketing and Leadership MSc at Cranfield for three core reasons. And firstly, it was really to consolidate my marketing experience that I'd gained over a lifetime. Secondly, I really wanted to learn the strategic theories and concepts that backed up that knowledge. And lastly, I felt it was a really good way of springboarding my senior career in marketing. It was important to me that the Marketing and Leadership qualification was developed in partnership with the CIM Academy because I felt that the CIM was such a well-respected marketing organisation globally, so it was very well renowned. Also, it meant that the academics were underpinned by an industry recognised qualification, which is a lot more practical for working people like myself. And also the work-based project was fantastic for my employer because it meant that they felt they got value out of me studying. There are so many benefits to studying an apprenticeship. Firstly, you can work, study and earn and apply the learning simultaneously. So literally the minute you start the course, you're applying it into your job. Also, for me, kind of an unexpected benefit was that I got to meet peers in my industry. So you can get a little bit myopic working in your own organisation or your own industry. And it was a really great chance for us to kind of cross-pollinate ideas. So you get put into learning teams and you get to understand how people do marketing in different industries, which was great. Also, I've definitely made friends for life on the course.